Now, I was thinking we have to do the same for this part where we're loading the nodes. So we did the loading for these devices, but when we load the page for the first time, we open the app, whatever, this part, effectively, it's loading something. It could return some result or not, but we need to display something to the user. So let's do the same as we did for the device context, where we added a pieces of state with the loading devices here. So we're going to do the same. Let's do it. Let's say let's start from here, and then we will fix the types later. Const, let's call it loading nodes. Set loading nodes, use state false. Yeah, perfect. And then here we would say we would add loading nodes boolean. Perfect. And here loading node false. Sweet. Now we can, of course, export this in here. Send it here. Save it. Okay. And then we have to set the isLoading nodes before the execution. So before the try, loading node to true. And then set loading nodes. Yeah, okay, that was complaining about. And finally here we can say false and false. Okay, perfect. So now we have these additional loading nodes and we can use it inside our components. So in the device list, in the ring node over here, we have the node context. We can pull another piece of information, which is this additional flag that we created. And now we can say here, instead of printing the whole thing, we can conditionally say, are we loading the nodes? In this case, do something, otherwise do something else. And so if you're loading, let's set a div and say loading ... otherwise print the list of nodes. Save it. See what happens. I don't see the loading. Let me check. I realized that I've added the loading inside the ring node instead of the ring itself. So don't.
Huh? A tortoise? Follow the... This must be why I'm here! Follow the what? Follow the what? Hurry up! Ow!
No worries. Let's quickly adjust this. So ring here, of course, we are pulling the information of the loading nodes from here, and then you're gonna say, yeah, he apparently knows loading node, blah blah blah. So what we want to do is print the loading if the flag is like that, or we want to print the SVG in this last case. All right. So it's redundant. Let's save it. Okay, let's take a look at this baby. No nodes, loading. Bam, working. Perfect. So the fact that we say that no nodes is a backend issue, or I'd rather say it's the nature of this problem, because the Wi-Fi, they're unpredictable, so we could improve that. But the fact that we saw the loading flag over there when we load the page is what we want. So we have loading and then boom. So nice. We fixed this one as well. No worries. Let's improve a little bit the interface, like dashboard here. Let's do some tiny adjustment and maybe clear the console logs.